My name is Kenneth Oresta. I'm from Marikina Polytechnic College and we're conducting a LGBT couples interview. So, what is your name?
My name is Faye, and she's Pearl.
I'm Camila Resterio po.
And I'm Antoinette El Sanchari.
My name is Sherwin.
My name is Mike.
Have you ever thought about other people judging both of you?
Always, since we're a Catholic country, we always get looks.
Yeah.
Yeah, sayang. Sayang kayo. The usual.
Actually, madalas.
Both of you.
For me naman po, I don't really think about what other would feel about us kasi hindi naman sila relevant sa buhay ko. So hindi ko naiisip yung mga sasabihin nila for us kasi hindi naman sila yung nagpapakain sa amin. So
Well, for me, I think about other what will say about us because I think people these days is so judgmental.
Of course I do. How about you?
Yes.
Was there a time that you've been ashamed of her?
Of her?
No.
No, never.
Never.
not really kasi in relating to my answer to the question 1, wala naman akong pakisa kung anong sasabihin nila. So, hindi ko naman siya kinakaya kasi I love her for who she is and yun.
No, I haven't experienced it yet kasi it's our first time seeing each other.
Sir?
Hindi naman.
Hindi ko masasabi.
If you had to, would you pick her over your family?
We didn't get a chance.
Yeah. We're so lucky kasi din na
Both family-oriented.
and
Pero
open-minded.
they're family. So, she's a family.
That's a difficult question to answer to. Pero kung ako, papipiliin ako, parang in a situation na napakahirap na talaga. I guess I would pick her kasi she's been with me to difficult times and the times na masaya kami. I'm not saying naman na my family is not there for me, but you know, gusto kong siya yung katuwang ko kasi siya yung napili.
I'm not ashamed being with her, but I'm ashamed what would other think about us.
Parang speechless ako.
Hindi pa namin masasagot
Oo,
talaga.
totoo.
If both you were dating, would you date any of her friends?
If I don't know her, possibly.
Yeah.
But I know her.
Me too. Kasi
No, kasi hindi ko naman din sila makikilala if it weren't for her. So, I don't think I would be dating any of her friends.
Definitely not.
Ask her anything that can answer yes or no.
question.
Nag-date ka ba ng lalaki?
Would you sacrifice your ego and dignity if it means for me being in a comfortable state?
Yes.
Tanong,
The biggest one.
ask mo.
In the future, if may mas nakita kang nasa yung preference mo, would you still choose me?
No.
Sabi ko pa sa akin pa.
Hindi. Ang layo. Ako? Anong question? Napagod ka ba sa first meet natin?
Hindi.